Buying and selling without spending $1. Consider the possibility of purchasing and selling products without incurring any expenditures. It may appear to be a fantasy, but it is feasible to conduct a trade that does not necessitate currency with the appropriate platforms and strategies. This concept employs the principles of bartering, exchanging, and leveraging existing assets to acquire new ones. This comprehensive video will investigate a variety of strategies, platforms, and methods that enable you to engage in transactions without using any money. The principle of bartering, the exchange of goods and services. Bartering is one of the oldest modes of commerce, with roots in ancient civilizations. What if you could trade your skills or possessions without spending a dime? It entails the direct exchange of goods or services for other goods or services, without the use of money as a medium. In the current digital era, bartering has transformed and has become more accessible due to the existence of online platforms that facilitate the connection of individuals with shared requirements. Initial steps for bartering. Identify your assets and skills. To begin, compile a list of the services you are capable of providing. What unique skills or items you have that others might need? This may encompass a variety of items such as electronic devices, clothing, or furniture, as well as professional abilities such as graphic design, writing, or tutoring. Identify bartering platforms. Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and specialized bartering platforms like SwapRite and BarterQuest offer opportunities to establish connections with individuals who are interested in trading. Contract negotiation. How can you ensure that both parties feel satisfied with the trade? Negotiate the terms after identifying a prospective trade. Ensure that both parties are aware of the benefits and obligations they will receive to prevent any misunderstandings. Examples of successful bartering. Exchange of a graphic design service for an ancient bicycle. Providing tutoring sessions in exchange for automotive repairs. Exchanging clothing, books, or gadgets with peers or through online communities. Freecycling. The art of giving and receiving for free. Freecycling is an initiative that emphasizes the exchange of surplus items for those who require them, all at no cost. How can giving away items for free benefit you in the long run? This sustainable practice aids in the acquisition of products without the need to spend money and reduces waste. Instructions for Freecycling participation. Become a member of Freecycling communities. Freecycle Buy Nothing Project and local Facebook communities are all excellent starting points. These communities enable members to either request items they require or post items they wish to donate. Be active and responsive. Be prompt in responding to offers and consistently monitor the listings. Successful Freecycling necessitates politeness and unambiguous communication. Give away items you don't need. Could the items you no longer use become valuable resources for others? By actively engaging in the exchange of items, you improve your reputation and increase the likelihood of obtaining what you require in return. Advantages of Freecycling. Environmental impact. Encourages recycling and minimizes waste. Community development. Establishes relationships with residents and cultivates a sense of community. Financial savings. Offers a method of acquiring essential items without incurring financial obligations. Application of cashback and reward programs. While cashback and reward programs are not strictly bartering or freecycling, they provide a method of accumulating value without direct expenditure. How can you turn your everyday purchases into opportunities to earn? You can accumulate points, cashback, or rewards that can be redeemed for products and services by utilizing specific credit cards, apps, or loyalty programs. Optimizing rewards and cashback. Utilize credit cards with cashback. Select credit cards that provide cashback on everyday purchases. To prevent interest charges, it is crucial to pay off the balance every month. Register for loyalty programs. Numerous retailers provide loyalty programs that award points for purchases. Are you taking full advantage of loyalty programs? Compile these points to receive complimentary merchandise. Utilize cashback apps. Cashback and discount applications including Squadbucks, Honey, and Rakuten provide incentives for online purchasing. Begin earning money on your daily expenditures by linking your accounts. Reward usage examples. Purchasing products by redeeming accumulated points for gift cards. Utilizing cashback to purchase supplies or other necessities. Earning additional rewards on platforms such as Squadbucks by participating in surveys or viewing videos. The influence of community sharing, leveraging gift economies. The foundation of gift economies is the act of giving without anticipating any reciprocation. It is about the establishment of a cycle of generosity in which products and services are freely distributed and shared within a community. Engaging in gift economies. Become a member of local gift circles. Seek out gift circles or community organizations that engage in gift economies. These are frequently accessible through online forums, social media, or local community centers. Organize a trade meet. Organize a trade meet in your community where individuals can bring items they no longer require and exchange them for other items. Exercise kindness. Begin by contributing what you can, whether it be time, expertise, or items, and cultivate a culture of generosity in your community. Advantages of gift economies. Promotes trust and fortifies community connections. Promotes sustainable living by minimizing waste. Offers a sense of satisfaction and pleasure through the act of assisting and donating to others. Online platforms for cashless transactions. In the digital era, numerous online platforms enable frictionless transactions, simplifying the process of purchasing and selling without the need to spend money. The most popular platforms for cashless transactions. Freecycle, a grassroots movement of individuals who are exchanging and receiving items for free in their local communities. Craigslist's free section, a location where individuals post items that they wish to donate. Olio, an application that interconnects neighbors and local businesses to facilitate the sharing of surplus food and other items rather than their disposal. Swapsy, a Canadian platform that enables users to engage in barter transactions. Effective utilization of these platforms. Develop a comprehensive profile. Emphasize your hobbies and the services you can provide to enhance your likelihood of acquiring profitable transactions. Publish consistently. The more active you are, the more opportunities you will have. Could your regular presence online lead to unexpected opportunities? Interact with the community. Foster trust by participating in discussions, offering assistance, and establishing relationships. Time banking, trading time for services. Time banking is a system in which individuals exchange services using units of time as a form of currency. A single hour of labor generates a one-time credit that can be redeemed for an hour of someone else's time. Initial steps for time banking. Identify a local time bank. Either search for a local time bank in your community or join a time bank network such as Time Banks USA. Provide your skills. Consider the services you can provide, such as gardening, tutoring, or transportation. What talents do you have that could be valuable in a time bank? In a time bank, each talent is valuable. Time credits earned and spent. Earn time credits by offering your services and utilizing those credits to purchase services from others. Time banking services examples. Proposing language lessons in exchange for horticultural assistance. Babysitting in exchange for home-cooked dishes. Providing its support in exchange for automotive maintenance. The importance of networking and establishing relationships. It is essential to establish strong relationships and networks when purchasing and selling without spending money. Your network can frequently offer you opportunities for bartering, freecycling, and accessing resources that you may not have had access to otherwise. Strategies for effective networking. Participate in community events, attend local meetups, seminars, and events to connect with individuals who share your interests. Make the most of social media. Utilize platforms such as LinkedIn, Facebook, and neighborhood applications to establish connections with others. Be generous with your time and resources. Offer assistance first. By assisting others, you establish a network of individuals who are willing to reciprocate. Experience in upcycling and repairing. It is occasionally possible to satisfy your requirements by repairing or upcycling existing items rather than purchasing new ones. Can you transform an old item into something valuable and new? Utilizing your DIY abilities can result in cost savings and the creation of distinctive, personalized items. Initial steps for upcycling and repairing. Enroll in online courses. Tutorials on a variety of DIY projects are available on platforms such as Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube. Basic tools should be acquired. Having basic repair instruments at home can assist you in completing a diverse array of repair tasks. Become a member of the DIY and upcycling communities. These communities offer opportunities for knowledge sharing, inspiration, and support. Upcycling project examples. Transforming outdated furniture into contemporary fashionable items. Utilizing fabric leftovers to construct clothing or quilts. Converting glass jars into storage containers or decorative objects. In summary, it is not only feasible but also sustainable and empowering to engage in transactions without expending any money. By adopting strategies such as bartering, freecycling, gift economies, and time banking, it is possible to establish a lifestyle that optimizes value while minimizing monetary expenditure. These practices not only enhance your finances but also foster a more sustainable, connected, and resourceful society. Therefore, whether you are seeking to declutter, acquire new items, or simply engage with your community, it is important to remember that money is not the sole currency. Your skills, time, and generosity can be utilized to great effect. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to share your thoughts. Stay tuned for more chilling videos.